Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting models BMW has to offer, the 2026 BMW X1 M35. This compact SUV packs a punch with performance, technology, and style. Whether you're a car enthusiast or someone on the hunt for your next ride, stay tuned because we'll be exploring all the features that make the X1 M35 a standout. Let's get started. Exterior features. The 2026 BMW X1 M35 has an unmistakable road presence, combining sleek lines with sporty features. Let's break it down. Body panels. The body panels of the X1 M35 are crafted with precision, enhancing both aesthetics and aerodynamics. The smooth, sculpted sides not only give the car a dynamic look but also improve fuel efficiency by reducing drag. With robust materials that ensure durability, the panels are designed to withstand wear and tear while maintaining a luxurious finish. Whether you're cruising through city streets or hitting the open road, the X1 M35's body panels give it a bold and sophisticated profile. Headlights. The headlights on the X1 M35 are more than just functional, they're futuristic. Featuring BMW's signature adaptive LED technology, these headlights automatically adjust to your driving speed and road conditions, ensuring optimal visibility at all times. The laser-cut design is sleek and sharp, giving the X1 M35 a high-tech, aggressive look. Not only do they improve your nighttime driving experience, but they also add a touch of elegance to the front-end styling. Taillights. Moving to the back of the vehicle, the X1 M35 boasts striking, high-tech taillights. BMW's L-shaped design is bold and instantly recognizable, even from a distance. These taillights use LED technology for enhanced brightness and efficiency, making them not only stylish but also functional. They improve visibility for other drivers and contribute to the vehicle's overall modern, sporty appearance. Grille. Let's talk about the grille. The X1 M35 features a large, aggressive kidney grille that demands attention. It's not just for looks. This grille allows air to flow efficiently into the engine bay, promoting cooling and enhancing performance. The chrome detailing around the grille adds a touch of luxury, while the wide, commanding design ensures the X1 M35 stands out from the crowd. Interior comfort and convenience. Now, let's step inside the 2026 X1 M35, where luxury and technology blend seamlessly. Seats. The seating inside the X1 M35 is all about comfort and support. The sports seats are designed to hold you in place during spirited driving, yet they're plush enough for long trips. Finished in high-quality leather upholstery with contrast stitching, they not only look great but also offer excellent lumbar support. Whether you're driving around town or hitting the highway, the X1 M35 ensures you stay comfortable. Dashboard. The dashboard of the X1 M35 is designed for functionality and style. BMW's layout is intuitive, with all key controls within easy reach. The high-resolution display in the center offers a clear view of essential information, while the ambient lighting adds an extra level of sophistication. The materials are top-notch, featuring a mix of soft-touch plastics and premium finishes, making the cabin feel both modern and luxurious. Infotainment system. The BMW iDrive system gets a serious upgrade in the 2026 X1 M35. The 10.7-inch touchscreen display is responsive, with easy-to-navigate menus and high-resolution graphics. It integrates seamlessly with your smartphone via Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can enjoy your favorite apps, navigation, and media on the go. Plus, The available wireless charging pad ensures your devices stay powered up, making your ride more convenient and connected. Steering wheel. The steering wheel in the X1 M35 isn't just for steering, it's a hub for control. Wrapped in high-quality leather, the wheel features a sporty, thick grip that adds a premium feel. With integrated buttons for controlling audio, cruise control, and phone calls, you won't have to take your hands off the wheel to stay connected. For those who love driving dynamics, the wheel also includes paddle shifters for that extra touch of sporty engagement. Powertrain components. Under the hood, the 2026 X1 M35 doesn't disappoint. Let's explore what's powering this beauty. Engine. The X1 M35 is equipped with a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, delivering an impressive 302 horsepower and 332 pounds-feet of torque. This engine strikes the perfect balance between performance and efficiency, allowing the X1 M35 to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.2 seconds. The engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission for smooth, quick shifts, ensuring that the car feels both responsive and refined. Whether you're cruising or accelerating hard, the engine provides a thrilling driving experience. Hybrid option. For those looking for more efficiency, the 2026 X1 M35 offers a mild hybrid option. This hybrid system combines the power of the turbocharged engine with an electric motor, providing added torque and better fuel efficiency without sacrificing performance. It's a smart choice for drivers who want to reduce their carbon footprint while still enjoying a powerful, responsive driving experience. Safety and driver assistance. The X1 M35 takes safety seriously with a suite of advanced features designed to protect both the driver and passengers. Airbags. The 2026 X1 M35 comes equipped with multiple airbags strategically placed around the cabin, including front, side, and curtain airbags. These work together to minimize injury in the event of a collision, ensuring that you and your passengers are well protected. Parking assist. Parking is made easy with BMW's advanced parking assist system. Using sensors and cameras, the X1 M35 can help guide you into tight parking spaces, ensuring that you park safely and with ease. The system can even park the vehicle for you with minimal input, taking the stress out of parking in busy areas. Pricing. So, what does all this luxury and performance cost? The 2026 BMW X1 M35 starts at approximately $47,000, depending on the options you select. While this is certainly on the higher end for compact SUVs, the X1 M35 offers exceptional value when you consider its performance, technology, and luxury features. It's an investment in both style and substance. Ending note. And that wraps up our in-depth review of the 2026 BMW X1 M35. This compact SUV is a perfect blend of performance, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're after a sporty ride or a practical daily driver, the X1 M35 ticks all the boxes. If you liked this review, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below with your thoughts on this incredible vehicle. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.